Today we're heading to Solaya Beach Resort for a beach trip. Even if the weather is rainy, the sky is cloudy and the air feels cool, but that makes the place even more peaceful. The sound of the rain blending with the waves create a calm and relaxing atmosphere.
And also, we prepared our food for the day. Warm rice, grilled fish, and our favorite adobong chicken. Simple dishes but perfect for a cozy beach picnic, especially in this cool weather.
My trip to Solaya Beach was very relaxing. When I arrived, I saw the white beach, clear blue water, and bright sky. The sun was soft under my feet, and the sound of the waves made me feel calm. The place was quiet and peaceful, which helped me forget my stress.
Inside our vehicle, the sound of laughter and conversations filled the air. Music played softly in the background, mixing with the hum of the engine and the rush of the wind outside. As we got closer to Solaya, we could already hear the faint sound of waves crashing, welcoming us even before we arrived.
Isilupang Bangus is a popular Filipino grilled dish often served during family gathering and beach outing. This milk fish is grilled over hot charcoal.
Adobong manok is deeply connected to the Philippine culture because it reflects the country's history, family values, and resourcefulness. Known as the national dish of the Philippines, it combines indigenous cooking methods with Spanish influence, shown in its name, adobo. Its simple ingredients, vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and spices, highlight the Filipino ability to create flavorful food from what is available. Commonly served during family meals and celebrations, adobong manok symbolizes togetherness, tradition, and the warmth of Philippine hospitality.
The beach is one of the most peaceful and beautiful places in nature. As we walked along the shore, we saw tall coconut trees swaying gently beside the sea and heard the calming sound of the waves. The fresh ocean breeze and the wide blue view created a relaxing and refreshing.
And I just want to share this moment with all of you. As you can see behind me, the waves are gently, and you can probably hear the relaxing sound of the water. It reminds me how deep and meaningful nature truly is.
Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossa Nova on all night. It's like a type of alchemy.